Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Airtable, manage databases and workflows step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in airtable.com and hit enter. Once the Airtable homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you have the option to log in using your email address or through Google. If you choose to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, click the Continue button. You will receive an email with a link to verify your login. Open your email inbox and find the message from Airtable. Click on the link provided in the email to continue the login process. If you prefer to log in via Google, click on the Log in with Google button. A new window will pop up asking you to select your Google account. Choose the account you wish to use. If prompted, enter your password and click Next. After successful verification, you will be redirected back to Airtable. Once logged in, you will land on your dashboard. Here, you can view your existing bases or create a new one. To manage your databases, click on a base to open it. Once inside a base, you can add tables, fields, and records. Use the toolbar on the left to navigate between different views and settings. To set up workflows, click on the Automations tab in the top menu. From there, you can create new automations to streamline your processes. Make sure to explore the different features Airtable offers to fully utilize its capabilities. That concludes the steps on how to log into Airtable and manage your databases and workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.